Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be going through with you and talking to you just about my top 5 cheapest outfits. So my first one, I got this from Primark and I bought this one for £3. The material is actually kind of velvety. It's actually really nice material, super soft, it doesn't itch, it's not a rough velvet, it's actually really comfortable. I think it's adaptable for the summer and kind of spring and autumn. It's got a nice little kind of bow that you can make on the sides, which is super cute. It's not kind of just a plain basic, it's kind of got a little kind of cute features on the side, and it's got a nice little hole for the shoulders, something like that, which I think is super cute. This I would base it with a pair of jeans or leggings, and I think some cute shoes would go well with it too. As my second outfit, I went back to Primark and I got this, I don't know what it's called, it's super cute. I actually paid this £6, so it was actually a sale item. It's super cute, it's really soft, it's really thin, so you could kind of get away with it with like a windy summer's day. You've got some pockets here, and you kind of got a split on the sides, on either side. I don't know if you can see that. And you've got your kind of string here. I personally like to make a bow at the back of mine, just because I don't really, it doesn't look great when I've tied it at the front, but you can style this out however you want. It's cute with the little sleeves rolled up, and again this was just £6. I personally would style this with an all black outfit underneath, and if it's a summer I would style it without an all white outfit, but for £6 that's really good. As my third outfit, I then went to New Look and I paid this £5.45. It's a really cute crop top. It's a white and brown dye crop top. Here you just simply have a little bow that you can just tie up. It kind of depends, you can have it as a bow, you can have it loosely hanging down, however really you like it. The sleeves is something I really like about it. It's really flared, it's not tight, it's really nice for the summer. I would wear it with white jeans. I style it out with white jeans and some cute shoes, and again this was only £5.45. My next outfit, I then went to New Look again, and this one is a cute crop top again. So this one I got actually on a discount. I actually paid £9.99 for it, so it was a lot higher. I think for £10 it's quite cute. You can wear this on a casual day with just jeans or leggings, and you can actually wear it out for an evening. I personally think with some nice heels. I love the sleeves, it reminds me a bit of Mamma Mia, the movie. And I love this bit where you can tie it up. You can either have it as a bow, or you can just have it, however you like it, as a long strand. It's super cute, the back's just like this. I personally would style it out with either black jeans or black leggings and some super cute shoes. And again, this was £9.99. And for my final outfit, I went to Miss Selfridge's and I went to the sale section and I got this cute blue top. It's kind of a crop top, but not really. It kind of depends on your height as well. For me, it kind of just cuts just under the belly really. The back is quite low, and it's super cute. You could style this as a casual look with some jeans. I personally would style it out with some black jeans or leggings and some really nice heels. Again, this was only £5 from Selfridge's, and it's a really cute summer kind of blue. The material is really soft. The inside is soft again. This is only £5, so Miss Selfridge's is selling something which is kind of cheaper than Primark, and the material is really good. I hope this video has taught you a little bit about cheap shopping and how it doesn't really matter how cheap or how expensive your items are, you can still get cheap items and still make them look good as an outfit. I hope you enjoyed my video, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe on my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Till next time, I love you all.